Fishing for bait. New concept. This Minnesota boy. I got a brand new freezer in the garage thanks to Hurricane Ian. That thing sucked. I had it way easier than most though. Oh, there we go. Oh, 13 is a bruiser. It's a bruiser. Oh, 13 whale. Oh, this fish likes Taylor Swift too. I mean, it whaled. Oh, where are you going, buddy? 13, yes! I said I was gonna stop at 13. Here's number 13. He put up a heck of a fight, good hit. Check out those awesome teeth. Everything is awesome about a Spanish mackerel. Bait shop's closed. Let's go home.